Here's another trinomial that we want to factor. Remember, step one for factoring is to find and divide out any common factor that the terms share. Looking at those coefficients, I think you can probably see they all share a factor of 6, don't they? 6 will divide into each of those numbers. And each term contains the variable x. So I can factor out x to the first power from each of those terms. So 6x is my common factor that I can divide out. So one at a time, I take those terms, divide it by 6x, and put the result inside the parentheses. 36x to the third divided by 6x would leave me 6x squared. Plus 66x squared divided by 6x will be plus 11x. And plus 18x divided by 6x will be plus 3. And we have factored out the common factor. Now let's look to see if we can factor this trinomial further. Don't forget to bring down the common factor of 6x we just divided out. Trinomials, if they're factorable, factor into the product of two binomials. The way we get a plus, remember we look at the second sign first. The way we get a plus is with two pluses or two minuses in the binomials. And since this is plus for this sign, it's two pluses. It's two additions that we would find in the binomials. Now, the next step is to list the factor pairs of the first term of the trinomial. Well, that would be 1x times 6x, or 2x times 3x, correct? Wouldn't each of those pairs make 6x squared? And now list the factor pairs that make the third term of the trinomial. That's the only pair is 1 times 3. So let's pick a pair from here, and I like to start with the pairs where the numbers are closer together. So let's put 2x here, 3x here. There's only one pair here, so let's put 1 there and 3 there. And now I'm going to test that combination to see if it makes plus 11x, see if it makes the O and the I of FOIL work. The O of FOIL under this arrangement would give me plus 6x. And the I of FOIL is going to give me plus 3x, which only combines to plus 9x, and I need plus 11. So that's not the right arrangement of those terms. Now, don't change too much. Make a simple change like interchanging the position of the constants in the binomials. And check the O and the I of FOIL again. Now the O of FOIL gives us plus 2x. And the I of FOIL gives us plus 9x. And those two combine to the plus 11x we need, and we have found our factorization of that trinomial. Mathematically, we say we have completely factored that polynomial into this monomial factor, 6x, and these two binomial factors.